everyone. This is Sachin, and we are going to discuss about the current job opportunities that we have. Okay, so the first one is from the Cisco, and they are hiring for a software engineer role in the Bangalore location, as you can see in the product and engineering team. Okay, and the role is going to be hybrid one. So let's read out the description. What they basically need is like you should know how to develop, test, and maintain web applications with both front end and back end components. So you should be a full stack developer, okay, and you should know how to design responsive user interface and user friendly interfaces using modern frameworks such as React, Angular, Vue.js. So you should be knowing the JavaScript frameworks, building scalable and maintainable backend services and APIs. So you should know how to build scalable APIs and backend services using Django, Node.js, or similar things. Collaborate on the database design, and you need to collaborate on the database design and management and optimization for SQL and NoSQL databases. So these are the main technologies that you should know. Implement and maintain client interfaces using the tools Jenkins, GitHub Actions, or similar, ensuring fast, reliable deployment so that you can deploy the project fastly. So these are the main things that you should know if you're trying to apply to the software engineering role at the Cisco. And let's read out the minimum qualifications that you have. Proven experience as a full stack engineer. So you should have a proven experience as a full stack engineer in a similar role with a strong portfolio of web application, with a strong portfolio of web applications. So you should have a strong portfolio of web applications. You should have proficiency in front end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, with at least one modern front end framework like React, Angular, Vue, and strong backend skills with Python or Node.js, Java, Ruby, experience building RESTful APIs or GraphQL, familiarity with databases, and you should have good familiarity with databases and basic data modeling, hands-on experience with GitHub. So these are the things that you should have. These are the minimum qualifications that you have. And the preferred, like what they prefer is if you have a basic knowledge of cloud services like AWS, Azure, GCP, and container technologies like Kubernetes, Docker. These are really good. It will be considered really good and it will be preferred. And understanding of web architecture, performance, and security are the best practices. Excellent problem solving, communication, these are the common things that everyone asks. So these are the basic rules that you should like. Yep, so this is the basic things that they have asked, and you should apply to this. Okay, this is a good company and a good role, so please try to apply to this. Now with this we are going to move to the next job, that is coming from a Swiggy for a software developer to SD2 role. And if you have a 3 to 6 year or 3 to 5 years of experience, you can apply to this role. And basically they are going to ask you a little more difficult interview, and you need to have like Btech MTech. You need to have Btech MTech in computer science or minimum 3 to 6 years of experience. मिनिमम 3 साल का एक्सपीरियंस तो आपके पास होना ही चाहिए, एंड शुड हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग स्किल्स इन data modeling and low level class design. You should have a strong skills in the data modeling and low level class design, and you should have a good knowledge of object, like you should have good knowledge of oops and design patterns. Proficiency is one of the languages like Golang and Java. If you have proficiency in one of the languages, then that is really good. And you should know the SDLC models to develop the software, and you should have strong technical aptitude and good knowledge of CS fundamentals. So they are going to grind you in the interview because they are hiring for SD2 level, okay? And they might be going to ask you with the HLD, LLD, high level design, so low level design, and what will you get to do here? So coming up with the best practices to help the team achieve the technical tasks, driving the adoption of best practices, regular participation in code reviews. You need to review the code, and you need to improve the technology of the product team, improve and new relevant technologies and tools, implement of long-term technology. So these are the benefits that you are going to get. And do not worry regarding anything. I will paste all the links of these jobs in the description so that you can apply. And they are hiring for the data scientist 2 role as well, and this is for 2 to 5 years of experience. And what you will get to do here, and what are the qualifications that they are looking for. You are going to you will leverage your strong MLDL statistics background to machine learning and statistics backgrounds to build new and next generation of ML based solution to improve the quality of the ads recommendation. Basically, you are going to improve the quality of the ads recommendation of the software, okay, and leverage various optimization techniques. You are going to leverage various optimization techniques to improve the campaign performance. To improve their campaign performance, you will mine and extract relevant information from Swiggy massive historical data to help ideate and identify solutions to business. So you need to basically extract relevant information from Swiggy massive historical data. You will work closely with engineer, PM, analyst, or detailed requirements, technical designs, and all these. Okay, so these are the things that you are going to do here. But the more matter is like if you even if you are eligible for that or not. So you should have master degrees in areas related to applied math, machine learning, statistics, operation research with 2 to 6 years of experience, minimum 2 years of experience with a master degree. Okay, and technically hands-on with the deep dive expertise in applying ML to big data and result oriented team player with a strong sense of ownership. So these are the main things. Okay, you should have a good knowledge of SDLC, experience in deep learning and all this. Okay, and I will put the mention. I will put the link of this job in the description as well. You can check it out that as well. This is for the data scientist 2 role. Okay, and we are going to check the third one. The third one is for like, yep. The third one is for the software development engineer in testing department. So, and they need 1 to 3 years of experience in AI ops. They are looking for 1 to 3 years of experience in automation testing and QA strategy, and strong understanding of databases like MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle, and experience writing optimized queries. You should have experience in writing good queries. Proficiency in Java based test automation. You should have proficiency in Java based test automation, and you should have familiarity with the backend and front end technologies like Spring Boot, solid grasp of design patterns. So these are the qualities that you should have. You can check it out. Okay, and what you will get to do here, or what you're going to do here is like extend automation frameworks are used across Swiggy QA teams. This is more of a testing role rather than the development kind of role. Partner with AI platform, build test data pipelines and automated evaluation system for AI driven features and desk agents and recommended systems. So you are going to develop work on machine learning, little bit of here, not of a development role kind of. You can apply to this one as well, and they are asking for just 1 to 3 years of experience. So please try to apply to this one as well. And this is a job description for the front end developer, but you need to have a 6 to 8 years of experience, and this is a job opening in Gurugram, Haryana, India, and senior software engineer 3. They are hiring for SD3, and the job description is again like bachelor's degree in computer science and engineering. You should have like 6 to 8 years of experience. Okay, so proficiency in React.js and its core principles, experience with popular React.js workflows such as Redux Flux. So they are going to ask you a lot of questions because they are asking for 6 years of experience. Excellent problem solving and debugging skills, strong communication skills. That you should have agile development methodologies knowledge, and you should know server-side rendering, SSR or Next.js, knowledge of GraphQL and utility libraries. So these are the things that you are going to have good knowledge of. If you have good knowledge of these skills required, then you can apply to this role. This is from a company called Grey Orange, and the location will be Gurugram, Haryana. So you can apply, and the position is only one. And now this is a job opening from Ericsson, as you can see here. This is the job opening in Ericsson, and they are trying to hire in software development role. And the job location is going to be Noida, Uttar Pradesh, India. And the job description is like they are hiring for a software development role, and what you will do, knowledge about. So basically, you should have a knowledge about Java and J2E. You should have good knowledge of Linux operating systems and knowledge of Docker, Kubernetes, and microservice architecture. You should have knowledge to these things and about the kernel-based virtualized machine, KVM and VMware, about the Ericsson Cloud Execution Environment, ECE, and basic understanding of telecom call flows like 2G, 3G, 4G, Vault, 5G. So these are the things that you should know. And EDA application maintenance, DB application services, and they have asked a lot of things regarding the networking and databases like DBMS, RBMS, like RDBMS, cloud expertise. So these are the things that they have asked, and this is going to be a role of software development, as I'm telling you again. You can check out the things that you're going to do and the skills you bring. You should have these kind of skills, like you should have academic degree with a minimum bachelor in IT, desire to automate repetitive operational work, and you should have a desire to automate the repetitive operational work, proficient at systems thinking, anticipating side effects and use effects. And the experience that they are asking is for like 4 to 8 years. This is also for the experience role. And with it, that's it. We have like discussed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have discussed the 6 job opportunities in this video, so please try to apply to all the 6 jobs. Okay, it's not necessary that you should always have all the skills. If you have half of the skills, then even you should apply to all these jobs. It might be that your interview went well, like, and you will be qualified. So please try to apply to these roles and please subscribe to this channel. I will try to upload one video every day so that we can update all the job openings that are currently available. Thank you very much for watching the video and please subscribe to the channel.